Okay, trying the drone out. It's in the follow me mode. I've got it medium distance and low. Um, so see how it goes through the forest here. So, is it following me? It seems to be. Okay, that's good. So in the past, I've been flying it. It's been in high mode. So to try it in low mode, to see. Oh God! See, gotta watch. I'm cycling almost went a ditch there. So I can see the kind of view you get at low mode. I'm not sure how low it is off the ground. Because there is some quite long bits of grass and things here, so hopefully it's above that, or at least it avoids it. So just going to drop down gear here. Okay, so woo! Yeah, I realised the other camera that I've got on just now is basically just I get a minute's recording, which isn't so good for this, but I'm going to go a bit faster and see if I get a bit of distance between me and the drone. Right, going uphill, it's quite steep this, even if it wasn't the fact I'm on an e-bike. Yeah, I'd be really pretty knackered with even pushing it. So yeah, that's good. So it evens off a wee bit here. And okay, quite long grass here, so but very long grass, so I'll go through that, see how much it does. Seems to be following quite well. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty good. So a bit more light now coming out the forest. And see how the camera copes with the change in light. Quite nice, this sounds. That's good. Okay, I've now put it into follow me mode flat, which is sort of medium height here, so I'm going to go downhill now. go through this thick grass. Now this is an area of the forest that had problems before, you know, later on in the evening where it wasn't sunny, very grey, and you know at twilight it basically couldn't track me. So not only do you not have the GPS, you know, you don't have any kind of decent lighting for the tracking, so it should be a lot better today. Whew, I better slow down a wee bit. So okay, so heading downhill here. Change the gear, get a bit of speed. See, with the latest firmware update, it's supposed to be a bit faster in follow me mode, so it'll be interesting to see if that's actually true. So, whoa. Okay, so down we go here. Going a fair bit of speed here. It's probably about 12 miles an hour. It seems to cope up to about 12, 13 in the past, so it's supposed to be faster now, but I can't really go any faster here because of the terrain. Oh geez. So yeah, downhill, bit of speed. The speed. Yeah, definitely. It's following me pretty good actually, which is considering probably about 14 miles an hour. Woo. Oh, back to the gate. So yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, well done, you did well. Okay. Okay, seems to be working okay now. For some reason, when I was doing it through the phone, it didn't seem to work at all. I was going all over the place. Maybe the GPS signal was poor there, but yeah. So a bit of speed uphill, if I can get speed uphill, but I'm right through the forest now. So it's sort of open country, so no problem with the GPS here. At least there shouldn't be. So I don't want to come off the heather and get the pedal stuck. There's quite deep ruts here, so just concentrating on what I'm doing. It seems to be following because I can hear it and I can see it as well, but I'd rather look at where I'm going. Okay, so whoa, yeah. Go up here. So I'm going about 10 miles an hour now. And the drone seems to have missed that tree, which is good. Seems a bit faster, 11 miles an hour, 12 miles an hour. So that's 12. I'm just going to slow down a bit because the track gets a bit gnarly. Oh. Woohoo. See how it goes. Still following. The battery must be pretty close to being exhausted. Okay.